Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and I want to give you a quick update and a warning. Before I get started, let me tell you about the warning, okay? So, I have my headset to auto update. That's how I have it. I really don't turn my headset off. You know, I set it on the dock, I let it charge at night, and the updates, they do the update thing, and it's all good. But this time, when I set my headset to auto update, what happened was it got stuck on the bootloader. It stayed on the bootloader probably all night until I picked up my headset this morning. When I picked up my headset this morning, it was stuck on the bootloader screen, so I had to like restart it from the bootloader screen, which I thought was weird. But what happened was I caught a burn-in my lens. The burn-in was in my lens, so you guys can't see it, and it's really only when I'm in pass-through mode. I can't really see it right now, but it says like I can see the bootloader screen. It's real faint. Hopefully it goes away, but I want to tell you guys, shut your Quest off at night or turn off auto update. Those two options, because if not, and if it gets stuck on the bootloader screen or any screen for that matter, it's going to burn in your headset and you will not even know. Now, I will tell you about version 71. It got this new UI right here. You see the new UI, how the corners are curved, which looks really good, right? I like the way that looks. And if you go into settings, right here, remote desktop is a button now. Before, it was never there. It was always like in, you know, remote desktop beta mode or anything like that. So now you can go right here and just go to your remote desktop. So that's pretty dope. It's supposed to be an update with the volume, letting you control some things, but I don't have that yet. So I'm not sure why, but updates roll out really slow. And now that I'm not doing auto updates no more, I don't know when I'm gonna get that. And if you go to the library, right now they got unknown sources as a tab over here. Applications and unknown sources, which makes it really easy to get to. You can hit this, it'll collapse that, and you can bring more of the stuff up. So if you don't see that over here, you can hit the expand button and it will go there. And now this can go into theater mode. So if you hit that, it'll go into theater mode, and then you'll get this one right here. You could curve your window, you can adjust the dimming, and you can exit theater mode. So they got some new UI features that's pretty dope. So far, that's all that I really noticed was the UI change. I hope this was informative for you guys. I hope this saved your headset. You do not want to go out and spend money on another headset if your headset is out of warranty. And like me, I paid 650 bones for this headset. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.